In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Lovable Pro for free. We're going to use Lovable's built-in referral credits so you can unlock premium features without spending money, starting right from the homepage and ending with your shareable link. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Lovable. In the results, click the official Lovable website. Look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and the recognizable branding so you know you're in the right place. Once the site loads, click Log In. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Email. Type the email associated with your Lovable account, then click Continue. When the password field appears, enter your password carefully. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it autofill to avoid typos. Click Login to finish signing in. After you land on the home page, head to the top right corner and click your profile. This is usually your avatar or initials. In the menu that opens, look for and select Get Free Credits. This section explains the referral program and shows your unique share link. Click to copy that link so you can paste it anywhere you plan to share. Here's how the credit system works. For every person who signs up through your link, you earn an additional 10 credits. There's no stated cap here, so you can repeat this as many times as you like, provided the people you invite actually complete the sign-up. On top of that, you can earn another 10 credits for each person who goes on to publish a website after they join. Those two milestones together can add up quickly and help you access pro-level functionality at no cost. A few practical tips. Share your link with people who will genuinely benefit, like classmates building portfolios, entrepreneurs setting up a landing page, or colleagues testing ideas. Add a short note explaining why you're recommending Lovable and how simple the sign-up is. A little context helps more people follow through. Consider testing your link by opening it in a private browser window to make sure it resolves correctly. Keep an eye on your credits balance in the same area where you copied the link and review the terms on that page so you understand any changes, limits, or expiry. That's the whole process. Search for Lovable, log in with your email and password, open your profile, select Get Free Credits, copy your link, and earn 10 credits when someone signs up and another 10 when they publish a site. Follow these steps to move steadily toward Lovable Pro for free.